Today I will be teaching you the string function and date function. It will be much beneficial for you. And after teaching this, we will do one activity tomorrow. Okay? थोड़ा ज़्यादा पढ़ाएंगे आज. से दूसरा बुक लाए हैं. चलो switch on your camera, everybody. 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 चलो सूरज राज चौधरी, वानी शर्मा, स्नेहलता एंड सुहानी रचना. वानी शर्मा, स्नेहलता स्तुति, सुहानी रचना. सुहानी रचना. सुहानी रचना. चलो ऑडियो, you give me your audio credential. I have unmuted you, all of you. Okay. Okay, Vani, thank you. You can mute yourself. Suraj, you can also mute yourself. चलो. सुहानी रचना, unmute yourself. सुहानी रचना, unmute yourself. सुहानी रचना, unmute yourself. होमवर्क बनाई हो कल का? सुहानी रचना, can you hear me? Am I audible? ना बोलोगी, तुम्हारे जगह पर कौन है? साफ लिया, आने में इतना समय लग जाता है सबको. चलो लेट्स सी, मगजमारी करवाता है सब हमको. See here, बोलते जाओगे, ठीक है? Be vocal. So first we will see some character functions. Okay, character functions. Okay, I hope it is visible. दिख रहा है? Is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first we will see character function. Character function. Okay. चलो एक एक करके देखते जाएंगे और हम लोग उसको ये में भी देख लेंगे, प्रैक्टिकली भी देख लेंगे. The first function is char. Okay. First function is char. Okay. First function is char, and here it convert the integer into the equivalent character, right? Character, this convert the character this function convert the integer into equivalent character. Okay, example, we can see example char 65 66. Okay, so what it will return? The character value of 65 and 66 it will return. Let's see what is the character value of 65 and 66. Okay, let's see what is the character value of 65 and 66. Okay, so for this select char, what I have said, 65, 66, and again I have given 67. Okay, now you see A, B, and C. 65 is the value of A. 65 is the value of A. Okay, 65 is the value of A, you can see, and accordingly 66 is the value of B. 67 is the value of C, which you can also check it from like this. Select ASC, select ASC, and when you write capital A, okay, select ASCII. Last day what I told you, select ASCII. See, it is 65. So it is the just reverse of the function ASCII, right? So what does ASCII do? ASCII, so same, it is reverse of the function ASCII. What does ASCII do? ASCII, here suppose I had given 1, so what it does, इसको हम लोग लिखेंगे कैसे, यहाँ पर वो भी लिख देते हैं, select श्रद्धा, how we write select char 65, 66, select it like this we write. Okay, and we write on the SQL prompt. Okay, we write on the SQL prompt. Now select A, this is reverse of that character. Now what it does, it returned the equivalent ASCII value of any character. ठीक है, it is just reverse of that. Okay, how we will use, कैसे लिखेंगे, इसको लिखेंगे select ASCII, and here we pass the character. Okay, then we get the equivalent input. So I hope you have understood the char, and then you have also understood the ASCII. Yesterday also I taught you about the concat. Okay, concat. Now what is the use of concat? This function help us to concatenate to string. Okay, it concatenate to string. Examples how we can use, we will use like this. We will use SQL select concat RAM. This is one string and this is Manohar. Ram and Manohar, these are the two strings. It will concatenate and it will give the result. Ram Manohar. Okay, it help us to concatenate. Okay, so accordingly we can concatenate the field. Okay, suppose we have got the first name and the date of birth. We can name and the date of birth. We can concatenate, select, we can also concatenate two field of table like suppose we write select हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे and so we are working on the SQL prompt. Okay, select concat name and dob from biodata. So the biodata is a table and dob. Okay, I hope you have understood it. Then we have concat. I think you have understood. Okay, then we have the other instr. Then we have the other function that is called in str. I am writing it in a small and capital to make you understand. Okay, in str, this is another function. It helps to find the position of. It helps us to find the position of substring or character in given string. Okay, in given string. Example, in Jitender, what is position of, what is position position of E? What is position of E? बता सकते हो? Can you tell anybody? In Jitender string, what is position of E? बताओ. See here, क्या है position E का? So how we will calculate? How we will find? ठीक है? How we will find? Select instr. Then we first write the main character, that is Jitender. Okay, then Jitender, and here I have written E, and it will give the occurrence, first occurrence. It always gives the first occurrence, right? I hope you have understood it. It gives the first occurrence, right? If you can see it here also in the, here you can also see. I hope it is visible. It is visible. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, select instr Jitender. What I told to find out the position of E. Okay, so what will wait? Okay, see, it is E is at the fourth position. The first occurrence of E is at the fourth position. Suppose I write select instr, and here I have written Suraj Chaudhary. Okay, and here I try to find out RAJ. Here I try to find RAJ, right? So what will be the position? It is at the third position. You can see Raj in Suraj in SURAJ. So Suraj RAJ start from the third position. Okay, Suraj, and there is again one Raj. Okay, so it always gives the first occurrence. I hope all of you have understood it. Then we have the another function, that is MID, or mid you can also say, or mid, or other function we can also take, that is length. I have already taught you, left I have already taught you, And trim I have already taught you. Concat I have already taught you. Altrim, concat I have already taught you. Then there is one function that is mid. And mid is also known by other name also. Let me find it out. Sub-str. Okay, it is also known as sub-str. Okay, see here. So first let me pen it down about the sub-str. Let me, okay. Then we have another function that is sub-str. Okay, we have, I hope it is visible. Yes, it is visible. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is sub-str. Right. Now sub-str. Okay. Now sub-str, it is this function display the this function is used to display the substring arising from the main string from given starting from I should have written here starting from given position to end position, starting from end position to given position. Okay, now means it accepts three argument. It accepts three argument or parameter. Okay, first one is it accepts main string. Second, it accepts starting position, and third, it accepts end position. Okay, it accepts. Now, for example, let's suppose see select sub-str, select sub-str. Okay, main string is here Jitendra, and I have written 3, 2 means what it will do. It will, you can see here. Let's see. So let's see here. I hope it is visible. Select. I hope it is visible. Select sub-str. Select sub-str Jitendra, and I have started from third position, and I have taken length 2. You can see here what it has given, TE. So you can see JIT. T is the third letter, and from third letter we have taken two words, T and E. Now can you tell me what will be the output? What will be the, how I want to extract E and D. So what I will write here? Tell me. I want to extract E and D. The position of E start from the fourth, and it is of 3 characters in length. You see, I have founded E and D. I hope all of you have understood it. Any problem to anybody? Oh, you have understood it. As well, I have also taught you about the function that is left. I have taught you about a function left. Okay, left. Okay, left. It helps us to left. Now what it does? It helps us to extract the given number of character from left side. Example, you can see Example, you can see SQL prompt, select, I have written left, and here I have written right. Okay, and I have written 3. What it will return? It will return JIT. It will return JIT. In same way, it is right. It help us to extract the given number of character from right side of the string. I hope I did not need to explain. I know you would be well aware. Then it is trim. Okay, it remove the space from the given character, given string. It remove the space from the given string. It remove the space from both side of the given string. Now, if there is, okay, let's suppose SQL, I have given select trim, and here it is, you can see I have given a space G2, and I have given a space in the both side. What it will return? It will return JITU. It will remove the unnecessary space from the both sides. Then we have another example. It is ltrim. Okay, so what it does? It removes the space from the left side of the string. Let's take an example. Okay, suppose I write select ltrim. Suppose I have written ltrim, and I have taken, okay, JITEN Jatinder, and I have taken like this. Okay, so what it will return? It will return JITENDRA and a space. It will remove the space from the left side. It will not remove the space of the right side. Similarly, it was hard trim. It removed the space from the right side. It removes the space from right side of the character, right side of the string. Okay, I hope it is clear. Then we have the other function, that is length. Okay, length function, it helps us to calculate the length. As you know, it helps us to calculate the length of the string, minded. It also compute the leading space. Leading space means when it is in the left side or in the right side, not between middle of the space. So it also computes leading space as character. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. So I hope substring I have taught you, and I hope I have taught you the utmost character functions which is needed. Concat I have taught you. I have taught, no problem. Lower and upper. Then it is lower. It convert the given string into lower case. It convert the given string into lower case. Example, you can see select lower. Okay, I have written like this: JITEN D, R, T. You can see it is combination of upper and lower. What it will do? It will convert to Jitendra like this. Okay, I hope you have understood it. Any problem? Then next it is upper. Okay, next it is upper. It convert the string into uppercase. It works similarly to the lowercase. It works similarly to lower function, but it converts to uppercase. Okay, example, select upper J, I, T, E, N, D, R, A. Okay, see here. So what it will do? It will convert to J, I, T, E, N, D, R, A. Okay, it will convert to. Okay, I hope you have understood it. Any problem? Now we will switch over our lesson towards date and time functions. Okay, now the first function is, now we will come to our date and time function. Okay, now we will see the topic, that is date and time functions. Okay, we will see date and time function. The first function is, that is sysdate. Sysdate. Okay, it is sysdate. Sys means system. It tells us the date and date of system. How it, okay, sysdate, and how it works. It will work. You can write it like this. Select sysdate. Select sysdate. अरे लोग को ले जाइए इधर से. Select sysdate. Okay. Select sysdate. It will give the current date of the system. You can suppose you write like this. Select sysdate. Select sysdate. And here I have written +2. It will give the next 2 days after the sysdate. Let's take it. Let's see it. Okay. Let's see it. Suppose I have written select. Is it visible? Yes, I can see it is visible. Select sysdate. Select sysdate. And here I have written like this. You can see that today it is in my computer. It is only 10 minutes is left. Mind it. You learn it. Tomorrow we will do the practical. कल के बाद एक क्लास और चाहिए डेट और स्ट्रिंग फंक्शन के लिए. ठीक है, एक दिन और कोई दिन चाहिए तो फिर ये दोनों कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. सेलेक्ट sysdate. सी यू कैन सी द डेट इन माय सिस्टम इज 21. इट इज YY याद रखना, जस्ट उल्टा होता है. हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं? DD MM YY. तो हम लोग माई एसक्यूएल में जब भी डेट को इंसर्ट करेंगे तो ईयर मंथ और फिर उसके बाद लास्ट में डे पर हम लोग आएंगे. ठीक है, अब देखो फिर यहाँ पर सेकंड एग्जांपल आई एम गिविंग यू, जो हम बताए +1. सेलेक्ट sysdate. सो व्हाट विल बी 2 days आफ्टर टुडे. ओके, आज के 2 दिन के बाद. ठीक है, यू कैन सी 2 days आफ्टर. इट हैज जस्ट 2007 and you can see 21 it has calculated. Okay, it has calculated like this. और सबको ये कन्वर्ट में कर दिया. 2 दिन के बाद 2020 देखो दे रहा है, 7 भी दे रहा है और 21 दे रहा है. 2 दिन बढ़ा दिए. अभी मेरा सिस्टम में कितना दिन 21 है ना? नहीं ऐसा नहीं. ओहो, उसमें टाइम में बढ़ा दे रहा है. ठीक है, तो आई होप you would have understood the function of sysdate. Sysdate का काम क्या है समझ में आ गया होगा, ठीक है. Then today is the current date. So next is the current date. Select cur date. Select cur date. Current date. Select cur date. Cur date. Select CURDAT. Select cur date. Select cur date. You can see it has given the current system date. Okay, now suppose if I have written select cur date plus 0, okay, it will convert it into the string. Then cur time, then we have cur time. Okay, select CURTIME, select cur time. It will give you the current time from the system. I hope you have understood it. Let's pen it down. Let's pen it down. ठीक है. So sys date you have understood. It gives the current system date. Okay. Then we have cur date. Cur date. It also gives the current date. It also gives the current date of system. Okay. It also gives the current date of the system. Then we have cur time. Okay, cur time, what it will give? It gives the current time according to system. According to system. Okay, so both how they will function? How they will function? It will function like this. Okay, select cur date. Select cur date. Okay, we will give here semicolon. Accordingly this will also function. SQL select cur time. Select cur time. This will give you the current time. I hope you have understood it. Then after current date and current time, then we have date. You can extract the date part. Okay, then we have the next function. This is date. Okay, it extract मतलब निकालना. It extract the date part. It extract the date part from expression. Okay, from expression. जैसे देखो अभी यहाँ पर हम तुमको ये समझा दे रहे हैं. Let's come to the MySQL string. Let's come here. Select क्या हम बताए? डेट. सबसे पहले देख लो sys date. Select sys date. Okay, what it is giving? It is giving ये आज का घड़ी, घंटा और सेकंड सब दे रहा है. ये लंबा फॉर्मेट है. अब इसमें से देखो यहाँ पर क्या लेंगे? सेलेक्ट डेट, और इसमें हम कर दे रहे हैं sys date. सेलेक्ट sys date. सेलेक्ट का स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग. सेलेक्ट डेट. देखो यहाँ पर डेट में हम पास कर दिए sys date. देखो अगर हम सिंपल अगर लिखते हैं select sys date, तो देखो लंबा एक्सप्रेशन आता है, और उस लंबे एक्सप्रेशन में से डेट फंक्शन क्या करता है? सिर्फ डेट पार्ट को निकाल लेता है. नाउ सपोज वी वांट टू एक्सट्रैक्ट मंथ. ओके, वी वांट टू एक्सट्रैक्ट मंथ. ओके, तो व्हाट वी विल राइट? वी विल यूज select मंथ. अब डेट में से हमको निकालना है, तो डेट सेलेक्ट. देखो यहाँ सेलेक्ट मंथ. यहाँ पर current date करना पड़ेगा. See your current date. Okay. See, today it is the 7th month. So then we have month name. We can also select MON month name. Select month name and suppose you provide any date here. Okay, I told you 2020 it is 6, it is 15. Okay, you can see this is the date. Okay, so what will be it will be June. Okay, now apart from this you can write sys date. You can also pass here sys date, you will get the July. Okay, similarly you can find out the year also. Similarly you can find out the year also. Similarly you can also find out day name. ठीक है, see here select day name, select day name. तो चलो मेरा जन्मदिन पड़ता है, ठीक है, वो देखो तुम अपना टेल मी एनीबॉडी योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ, आई विल टेल यू द डे, कौन सा दिन होगा वो. ठीक है, चलो देखते हैं. 15/5/83 ऐसे नहीं लिखना होगा, 1983. ठीक है, 05 एंड इट इज 15. नाउ इस कौन सा दिन ये होगा. ठीक है, ट्राई टू फाइंड इट आउट. सेलेक्ट डे नेम. ओहो, समथिंग रॉन्ग हैपेंड. ओहो माय गॉड. नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, वेट 1 मिनट. समझ में आया सबको? चलो समझ में आया. भागा कितना लोग? 1 मिनट बचा हुआ है, बताओ. इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, किसी को कोई दिक्कत? समझ में आया? शगफ समझ में आया? शगफ?
यस सर.
समझ में आया?
यस सर.
2 पीरियड और चाहिए. डे स्ट्रिंग और ये फंक्शन समाप्त हो जाएगा. और अगर नहीं समझ में आया तो फिर बताओ, फिर हम समझा देंगे. यू कैन व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हो. ठीक है, व्हाट्सएप करो. समझ में इमीडिएटली आई विल रिस्पॉन्ड यू. ओके. सुहानी रचना समझ में आया? सुहानी रचना समझ में आया? क्यों नहीं बोलती है ये? सूरज समझ में आया?
यस सर.
समझ में आया? चलो हम कल प्रैक्टिस कराएंगे इसका. इस पर बेस्ट कुछ हम प्रॉब्लम कल प्रैक्टिस करवाएंगे. ठीक है, डू ज्वाइन टुमारो, दैट विल बी मोर बेनिफिशियल. समझ में आ जाएगा. टाइम इज गोइंग टू बी अप. समय होने को है. लेस देन ओनली 1 मिनट इज लेफ्ट. चलो ठीक है, क्लोज करते हैं इसको. ओके.